This quick video is about how to see and cancel your friend requests on BeReal app using iPhone. Okay, quickly open your BeReal app. Then click this contacts icon. Now switch this to request. Now you can see this little send button. Just touch this. Yeah. Now you can see all your friend requests on this same place. It includes your contacts friend request and all discovery tab friend requests too. Okay, and to cancel your friend request, just tap their name. And if you tap cancel friend request, that's it. You are done. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.